Hit it. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome to day 2. Thank you, Father, for allowing me to see another wonderful and amazing day. My name is Joyce McTier, and I am the owner and operator of LaJoytro Creation Designs. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, y'all, so we're going to make another pair of earrings using these tubal beads, okay? Now, you're going to need, to make one pair, you're going to need 4 tubal beads. You're going to need 6 of these acrylic, plastic, or whatever beads. You don't necessarily have to use plastic or acrylic beads. You can use glass beads as well, because the tubal beads are very, very lightweight. So it's completely up to you, but these are 8mm. And this is from the kit that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. You are also going to need your flat nose pliers, your round nose pliers, your wire cutters. You're going to need a piece of 20 gauge wire. And you're going to need, just get this together, 12 of these Bicon beads. And you can get these from Amazon.com. And you're going to need quite a bit of these small spacer beads, okay? So the Bicon beads I purchased from Amazon.com. This is what they look like, and I believe these are 4mm. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to cut a piece of wire. This is going to be enough. I'm looking at this, and this is measuring out to me maybe about 10 inches. The next thing we're going to do, and you also, y'all, while I'm speaking and talking, you're going to need some sandpaper and your dowel, because we're going to be making our own fish hooks for these earrings. So the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add on my bead first. I'm going to put that in the middle, just like that. And then on each side, I'm going to add some of these spacer beads. So you're going to put a spacer bead on each side of your bead. Okay, just like that. Now the next thing you want to do is you're going to add your Bicon beads. So you're going to put those on next on each side. And once you get these on, you're going to come back, and then you're going to add on your spacer beads again. Excuse me, y'all. Alrighty, let's get this on. Come on. And this is what you should have. Now you're going to take your tubal beads and place your tubal beads on both sides. One on one side and one on the other side. Okay, let me bring it together. Just like that. Okay. Now the next thing you're going to do is you're pretty much going to do the same thing here, but up at the top of these. So you're going to add a spacer bead on both sides. And then once you get your spacer bead on, you're going to add on your Bicons. One on one side, one on the other. And then you're going to come back and you're going to put spacer beads again on top of that Bicon bead. just like that. That's what you're going to have. And then you're going to take and add on your little 8mm acrylic or glass, whatever you choose to use. And then you're going to add another spacer bead on, just like that. And then once you get your spacer bead on, you're going to add on your last 2 bicon beads. Okay, one on one side and one on the other side. And then you're going to add on your last two spacer beads. So you're going to put one over here and one over here, just like that. Okay, so that's pretty much what you are going to have. Now what you're going to do is you're going to bring these 2 pieces together and watch the design. Bam. Look at that design. That is absolutely gorgeous, and it's different. And as usual, you're going to bring these 2 together. You're going to pinch this over like this, bring that up, and then you're just going to wrap that around. And you're going to wrap it as many times as you see fit. Okay, just continue to wrap. Just like this, 3, 4, 5. How many times you see fit, how you want the earring to fall. And that's why I make these kind of high, because I want the earring to, okay, one more time. All right, so once we get here, we're going to snip that part off. And could y'all please make sure that you thumbs up this video, like and share this video out onto your social media platforms. I would greatly appreciate it, so that whoever needs to get this DIY, it will help them. Okay, so here we have it. That's our earring. And what we're going to do now is, I always say that the part that you cut in the back stays in the back, and you're going to pinch this to the front. And then you're just going to take your dowel and make a loop. When you make that loop, you're going to squeeze it in to form your fish hook. That's what you're going to have. And then you're going to take and snip that off right about there. Okay, and then you're going to take your sandpaper and just sand it down. These earrings, y'all, are so easy to make. They are, you can put these in your stocking stuffers. You can give them as gifts. You can make these earrings and give them as birthday gifts. Christmas is coming. You can make a bunch of these and put them in people's stockings, because they're lightweight, they're convenient, they're fashionable, and people would just really love and enjoy an earring like this. And then you just take and come and pinch that. And don't forget that when you wear your earring, once people buy these, they may look at it and say, you know, but you just open it slightly, place it down in the ear and pinch it, and it will stay. All right, so this is a pair that I made. Okay, and you can make these in all different colors, shades of colors. Like I said, this is an awesome idea for the holidays, Christmas. You can do it in red, white, green, whatever color you prefer, okay? So with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank y'all. Please do not forget to thumbs up these videos. I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. And until my next upload, peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.